Welcome to news updates from Ho Technical University. I'm Bridget Senam Adiche. The Dean of the Faculty of Applied Social Sciences at Ho Technical University, Dr. Peter Agbodza, has lamented about the heavy dependence of students on AI for their academic work. He also called for greater innovation to ensure that African languages are properly integrated into AI systems. Dr. Agbodza spoke to News Updates after Wednesday's Vice-Chancellor's distinguished lecture series at Ho Technical University.
I have had a concern over the years that my students are relying too much on AI for everything, and so critical thinking is vanishing. Even if I ask them to write myself for me, they are relying on AI to provide them with something that they will present to me, as if I cannot reason myself and know that they consulted AI. If you have to write about yourself and you have to go to AI, to me, that's the lowest point, that you are relying too much on AI for everything. It means we are saying that our students are saying that they are not interested in reasoning in any way because AI can provide them with answers to everything. So for me, it's a very significant lecture, and students have to understand that before we can succeed, we have to provide content. We have to be creative. You have to provide content even for AI. There is something that my brother has been telling me, that African languages are not in the digital space. African languages have to be developed. We have to develop content in the languages. Even translation from other languages, from the local languages to other languages, is missing completely. Because some of the items there, if you really analyze them well, you realize that they are trash. My brother has done some analysis, and he has realized that some of the things people have translated from Efe to English, for example, are not meaningful. So we have to be creative. We have to develop content. If not, it will not be relevant. AI will not be relevant to us. Students will just be relying on AI for everything, and they can't do critical thinking. So for me, this lecture has come at a very critical time, and we have to all start thinking about how to utilize AI for development, rather than how we can rely on AI and retrogress as a society.
The guest lecturer, Professor Ron Tuninga, delivered a lecture on the theme, Business Practice Education and Research in the Era of AI, Implications for Technical Universities in Ghana. Ms. Theresa Egbadzor, a faculty officer at Ho Technical University, entreated students to equip themselves with relevant AI skills, noting that these competencies are increasingly essential in today's professional work environment.
This is the way to go. This is the future for the world. And as a faculty of applied social sciences, we will say it has come at the opportune time. Our students need to abreast themselves with the relevant skills that they will need. So it's a good thing. Our take home is that all our students should embrace their skills. Lifelong learning is what you need to be relevant at the job market.
This is news updates from Ho Technical University. Adang Nazukekeli. I'm Bridget Senam Adiche.